Hi, I'm Jack Stilgoe from University College London, and I've come to this London street to talk about a lecture I'll be doing for the British Council in Singapore as part of their Knowledge is Great lecture series. And the reason I'm outside on this road is because I'm interested in the future of mobility. I'm particularly interested in a new technology that promises to change the way that we get about. The idea, the new technology, is the self-driving car, right? What if we were able to take all of the distracted, fallible human beings out of the driving seat and replace them with computers? Now, I'm not an engineer. I'm a social scientist, so I'm interested in what's going on at the moment, what the developers of this technology are trying to do with the technology, and how we might govern the technology so that we have improvements to our mobility rather than an exacerbating of all of the bad things about our technologies at the moment. In particular, I'm interested in this terminology of the autonomous vehicle. So the people developing self-driving cars often call them autonomous vehicles. And as a social scientist, that's a really interesting phrase, because I don't think these vehicles will be autonomous at all. I think just like the cars that you see behind me, these vehicles will be completely dependent on the world around them. They'll be dependent on us as human beings. They'll be dependent on the roads, the infrastructure, the street lights, all of the furniture that makes up a modern city. And only once we start looking at those constraints, those dependencies, will we start making good decisions about future technologies.